Are you full stack developer and still deploying code manually? Then this is serious red flag. Because in real company, writing code is only half the job, delivery is what actually matters. In this video, I will explain the basics of DevOps in a simple and practical way with project flow, no theory. At the end of this video, you will understand what is DevOps is and why every full stack developer must know it. So today you will learn what is actually DevOps means, what is CI/CD pipeline in simple term, why Docker is so important, and what is the environment configuration like dev, QA, production. You will learn the real DevOps project workflow. So don't skip this video. Every part connect to the next. First, let's clear the biggest confusion. DevOps is not a tool. DevOps is not a Jenkins or Azure DevOps. DevOps is a mindset and process that connects development and operations. Operations means deployment, server, monitoring, security, scaling. DevOps bring both together and automate the entire delivery pipeline. In one line, DevOps is equal to automate whole journey from code to production. Now the question is, why full stack developers should learn DevOps? Because full stack does not mean front end plus back end. Full stack means end to end ownership. If you can build feature but you cannot deploy them safely, then your value is limited. Company want developer who can deliver solution, not just write code. Let me describe a common scenario. A developer finishes his task and say, I have deployed it. But what actually happened? Manually file copy from local to the server, configuration change manually, service restart manually. Hope nothing break. And this is how production breaks. DevOps eliminate these risks. Let's discuss DevOps core concepts. DevOps always start with Gits. In real project, you do not work on the single branch, but you work on the multiple branches. Typically, we have the main branch, that is the production branch. Then we have the develop branch, that is the QA branch, feature branch for the new changes, and the hotfix branch, which is the quick fix changes. Simple rule, broken code never goes to main branch. Build means changing source code into deployable form. That means your source code never deploy to the server, always the build deploy to the server. So you have to change your source code, do the build of your source code to convert it to deployable form for the deploying to the server. For Angular, it create optimize production bundle. For .NET, it create publish file and DLL. In DevOps, build is always automated. Now comes CI, continue integration. CI means every time you push code, system automatically validate it. CI basically does restore dependency, builds, run test cases, basic checks. If CI fails, the pipeline stop. This protect production environment. After CI comes CD. CD means automatic deployment, that is also known as a continuous delivery. You merged code in main and pipeline deployed. No manual step, no panic. If anything went wrong, then there is the option for rollback. A professional application never has a single environment. We typically has dev environment, QA environment, then UAT environment and the production environment. You never directly test on production. Production must remain stable. DevOps manage this flow. Let's talk about the Docker. Docker package your application along with its dependency into the container. The biggest advantage, same app runs everywhere. No more it work on my machine but it is not working on the server. That's why Docker is DevOps game changer. Deployment is not the end. You must monitor your application like API health, errors, performance, Logs and monitor tools help you detect the issue early. Let's put everything together. Create feature branch, write code, push to the Git, CI pipeline runs, pull request plus review, merge to the main branch, CD will deploy the code, monitor check the health. This is how real DevOps works. If you are a full stack developer, learning DevOps basic will separate you from the crowd. You won't build just application, you will deliver them professionally. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.